Hello. Today we are going to be talking about a mostly unknown way the body detoxifies and how we can help it. New research shows that while the brain sleeps, it clears out harmful toxins, a process that may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. During sleep, the flow of cerebral spinal fluid in the brain increases dramatically, washing away harmful waste proteins that build up between brain cells during waking hours. A new study shows this. They say it's much like a dishwasher, and this comes from the professor of neurosurgery at the University of Rochester, and is an author of the study in Science. The results appear to offer the best explanation yet of why people need sleep. It could help explain a mysterious association between sleep disorders and brain diseases, including Alzheimer's. The scientists in the study noticed that during sleep, the system circulates cerebral spinal fluid through the brain and nervous system. It's like pumping fluid into the brain and removing fluid from the brain in a very, very rapid pace. Well, this team discovered that this increased flow was possible in part because when we go to sleep, our brain cells actually shrink, making it easier for fluid to circulate around them and clean things up. When waking up, the brain cells enlarge again and the flow between the cells slows to a trickle. It's almost like opening a faucet and closing a faucet. It's truly that dramatic, they found from the study. The study was funded by the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, and they had already previously shown that this fluid was carrying away waste products that build up in the spaces between the brain cells. The process is important for our discussion today because what's getting washed away during sleep are waste proteins that are toxic to brain cells. This could explain why we don't think clearly after a sleepless night and why a prolonged lack of sleep can actually kill an animal or a person. It's probably not possible for the brain to both clean itself and at the same time be aware of the surroundings and talk and move and so on. So this really could show and offer a new way of understanding human brain diseases, including Alzheimer's. That's because one of the waste products removed from the brain during sleep is something called beta amyloid. This substance that forms sticky plaques associated with the disease like Alzheimer's. It's a protein. Now, that's not probably a coincidence. Isn't it interesting that Alzheimer's and all other diseases associated with dementia are linked to sleep disorders? The report also offers a tantalizing hint of a new approach to Alzheimer's prevention. It raises the possibility that one might be able to actually control sleep in a way to improve the clearance of these beta amyloids and help prevent amyloidosis, which we think can lead to Alzheimer's disease. Many researchers feel that when the body does not get into deep REM sleep for enough hours, the detoxification process is impaired. So what's the answer? One is to get more sound sleep and take a formula like the REM sleep formula that has nutrients proven in clinical studies and university research like valerian root and hops mixed together and others that have shown to increase the amount of time that you spend in REM sleep every night. Now, if you want more information on how to improve your REM sleep and increase the cleansing effect of harmful proteins from your brain each night, ask for the free Special Help Sleep Report. This report gives you ideas and things you can do to really increase your sound sleep at night and also to be able to increase the cleansing capability of your brain to help you reach optimal health.